Now let's simplify one whole number 3 over 10 multiplied by 25. Feel free to pause the video and try this yourself, and then compare your answer with the solution gotten at the end of this video. So the first thing you do is to write this mixed fraction as an improper fraction. That is, you have 10 multiplied by 1 plus 3 over 10. Then we multiply that by, now writing the whole number as a fraction would have 25 divided by 1. Let's simplify further. 10 multiplied by 1 is 10, plus 3, and then we have 13. So 13 over 10 multiplied by 25 over 1. Now let's multiply 13 by 25. So we have 13 and then 25. 5 times 3, that is 15. 5, carry the 1. 5 times 1, 5 plus 1, we have 6. And then 2 multiplied by 3, we have 6. 2 multiplied by 1, 2. Now let's add. And here we have 5. Here we have 12. So 2, carry 1. And then 1 plus 2, we have 3. So that is, when we have 13 multiplied by 25, we would get the answer 325. And then for the denominator, we have 10 multiplied by 1. And 10 multiplied by 1 gives us the answer as 10. Now let's simplify this further. Remember to do it in steps so that you don't make mistake. So we first try 10 in 32. And that will go 3 times, because 10 times 3 is 30, giving us a remainder of 2. So now we have 25. And then 10 in 25, that is 2. Because 10 times 2 is 20, giving us a remainder of 5. So we have 5 over 10. Now remember, when you have a mixed fraction like this, you still have to simplify the fraction part until it is in its lowest term. So what we'll have here would be 32 whole number. 5 goes in 10, so 5 here 1, 5 here 2, giving us 1 over 2. So our final answer is 32 whole number 1 over 2. Thank you.